Howdy everyone, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Motion Media 7 for another English class. Today in this video, we are going to learn together 5 English expressions that you can use in your daily activity. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share the video to all your friends to help them to speak English too. Oh yeah, once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos whenever we upload them, okay? If you did that already, then you can skip the next 20 minutes that I'm going to wait for the other people to subscribe. Oh, okay, let's continue. Just hit the button, okay? I'm waiting. If you're watching the video right now, that means you already subscribed and even share the video to all your friends. So let's get the ball rolling, shall we? And your face is like, what the heck? This guy is going to give me the same expressions that I learned in the last video? But hold on. I said hold on. If you understand, it means that in the last video, you have watched the 5 expressions that I already give. Take the time to do this because after the end of this video, I am going to link it in the comment section below for you so you can watch the next video. But did you know that when you say what the heck, the word heck adding to a question make it stronger, make that you feel really angry or you are really surprised about a topic. Or whenever you say what the heck, that means you emphasize to something, and in that case you say what the heck. Now that you know this one, let me give you 4 other expressions that you can use for today. What the heck? So you got that one. Let's continue. Alright. Let's continue. Alright. The second expression today is be my guest. This expression is used, for example, in response of when you are asking for something. For example, Joshua, can I take one of those beers you have in the fridge? Or hey Joshua, can I watch another video on your channel? Instead of saying yes to you or sure, go ahead, which is another form to say yes, more often you can use it like this. For instance, you go to see Joshua and when you arrive, you find out that he has coffee and lots of stuff that you can eat. And you say, hey, can you give me a cup of coffee? Instead of saying yes to you, Joshua can say, be my guest. That means you can serve yourself. That means you can take it. Okay? So guys, feel free to be my guest on that channel and watch any videos you want. Okay? Let's get the third one. If after the second expressions that I just gave you and you still not subscribed to the channel, then I would say, how come? How come is another way to say why. So why aren't you subscribed to the channel yet? Do that now. It is important for me. Do that. Okay? Most of the time when you have to do something and you keep thinking about it to see if it is, if you feel it, or after many advices, then your friends will tell you, you know what, if you're still undecided, go with your gut. In that expressions, go with your gut only means that you have to follow your own intuition. That means you have to follow your own feelings. Okay? And the last expressions today is rush hour. Well, I'm not talking about Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker, but I mean the time in the day when many cars are on the street because people are going to work, home, or school. For instance, you can say, hey buddy, try not to go to the meeting in rush hour times just to skip the traffic. Okay? Alright, that's it for the video today. We have 5 expressions in just 5 minutes. The first one is what the heck. The second one is be my guest. The third one is how come. The fourth one where go with your gut. And the last one where rush hour, which is not the Jackie Chan movie. Yes. I am glad that I can help you today with your English skills. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Stay tuned for the next video that is coming out right now. And peace out.